Simera say me da sori ntema me kobi na me kobi anso no makwa twetwa ho videos na ne me da ba beto afidie so na mahwe bi mesi amo o Ghana fa na ya mo yesa aya mamu mfrɛ me mamu mfrɛ me me am time na come say yesa mo yesa next time me show number na ye wa wo send a message amen kan men mfrɛ just send your message make messages no e de amam Mesa mo ye feature ma want to me aso dia na ye akona na tornado e ono na ho nya fe bia sa na abranti a ho nya fe na onu ye hu bra wo bo wo Ghana ha na wo do ma wo be ye popular ko ye delay no ka otumi yi ni maaye na ene piercing ya ka Ghana ha nipa ope piercing pa aya de na be represent obi a oni suban wo Ghana ha na ni obi a point na tornado mesa mo this week ya na ehun sana na tornado akoni washroom na cha say bibles ahodo wo ni fie nyina bra sese ne nyina de egu water closet mu ebu nsu egu ho say en flashing nko na ebusa ne sana na tornado na ade a wuye eni hwe hemfa un se uti amra na ugu nyankopon enimtia mehemo muntie no okoka wo radio so with explanation to what he did in his house. Na meshamo yenya problem kakanti no yentumi ensho eno emfa ma na ma menka nsem okokan ye o say Bible no for slaves ena abrofo no ena cho Bible no na enti senka abrofo no munim say nyansa papa ene papa wo Bible mu ena ne Bible no ka no no kra nka there's no way say omode Bible no ebeba Africa say blacks and so entime Bible no mon kan enyama pa wo Bible mu na che say they brought it out to deceive Africans, they brought it out to deceive black people na ene omo mental slavery because ye nyamo face to face na ya fama anko ye slave trade am manko twitwa sugar cane antonton a ene sisi ano omo de befa enwumam na nza Africa so de yempe book kan no pe country omon pe book kan ya Ghana Africa to say Africa most countries in Africa na ya bronika kana so open say odi BBC black fashion book because yempe enema kenkan na enunti ena abofo no ede Bible no eba Africa so he doesn't believe in the Bible and therefore most Ghanaians shouldn't believe in the Bible because mental draining ena omo pese omo de back to slavery na na tornado and so edi ode ba ya no na me the news ya ba out ba me ba ka cha mo say enye bibia mo bete ene obi opinion bia na de bia wo say mo de ye adwuma ono ne opinion ena ode aba enti no wo so na wo so pese wo say no kre ana se enye no kre no no akwa hye wo dem na ne wesu afre onyame say Awurade kire me mu Awurade kire me mu de na tornado kanya ya no kre ne na tornado kan mi ni na chi na oso no o a sound mind na ene oso no Nyankopon betumi a direct you on the right path na oso wakohobi na ne mesanso ba be ka cha mo say me ameti ye de me I believe 100% in the Bible na ene eniema e Bible move from Genesis see Revelation there I believe it all because me no enema ni bi aye adwuma ma me na menim say wa wo hwe me so enema ni bi wo ho no ma e Bible ni ma aye adwuma e de amount na me amete e de me na tornado enya adwen na dachi asemunti no let us leave it here me no menya judge e na me nya Nyankopon enti no me ntumi enjage no one ne nyame asem enti na me ka che say memo obi en leave you astray. Focus on your Bible na ene wa okenkan a wo be hu bebi a edo ebekwa akopie na ene me next story cartel na cartel hwan na ene cartel ka praye ho na ono no short guy na ne mama tenten ne mama dendenden no Seligali ekunu a cartel na ono nso akwa kasa wo radio so na ne yebusa no se Ghana ha de eya na mi na kra ka say ati so mo Ghana ha omu niska bebre na asre na omadi bebre na akọ bag no ma bedidi bebre na akọ mo na fofo na ne o ma me 20k o ma me 10k o ma me 1 cd na ne mo de ko ho gare na mo di omo ba out o ma be dress shepe na mo di CV Ghana girls no manya responsible boys na omo fa boys na ni ahwe because they are not on social media na enem semo ene we de no afika tell ho na no no see musician ene e bi ono kasa mo betie ntimi semo muntie ensemo okokan ye e wo radio so
wield enough power.
It does.
Really?
It does.
You just said that, well, fortune is relative.
Yes.
Because to somebody, what you term fortune or what you term big, to somebody is very small.
Yes. You know, what I'm saying that what I'm saying is you can get to your peak. You know, fortune is by amount or whatever volume or whatever whatever amount that you think you can get to, and that doesn't change anything. To you, that is big enough. You understand? It can be, to me, it can be small, but in that regard, I don't see anything. I don't think it can be what's the right word to use. My point here is, I think that there's no way when you are an artist and you are able to get to your peak, there's no way you should go broke. That's my point. Basically.
All right. So Cartel BG, what does you use your fame for?
Okay. I've been able to use my fame, to do a whole lot. I can't go into the details, but I am not broke. Bottom line, I'm not broke.
Which fortune have you derived your, or which fortune have you made out of your fame?
That's what I'm saying, that I don't want to go into the details, but I'm very, very, very comfortable.
So there's nothing you can readily lay a finger on that, oh, this is a fortune. If you're not going in details,
when we say somebody is comfortable, when you're comfortable, which means you have you have a place to lay your head. You have businesses that you can make salary from, or you can make income from, and all. So you are comfortable. You don't need to rely on anybody or to call anybody to be able to survive or to be able to go about your life.
I see. All right, in this case, how do you advise your fellow musicians who are not using their fame wisely?
You see, when you get to the level I'm talking about, when you're able to accumulate fame, about musicians not making enough and all. Many school of thoughts have also shared their own views. Some agree, some disagree, and all. My point basically is, when you are a musician, when you peak. You see, make up peak now. You've been able to, achieve some level of, let's say you become an A-list artist. A-list, i.e., means you are able to play, all the top flight shows. You understand? And you get to that stage for at least minimum of 5 years and above. You will definitely get to your peak. You should be able to become a household name and all. And when you get to that stage, I think there's no way, or if you ask me, there's no way you should go broke.
I see.
Especially in this our digital era.
So, have you seen any famous musician or famous person who hasn't made fortunes yet?
You see, when it comes to fortune, it's relative. When it comes to poverty, or when it comes to money making, or when it comes to wealth, it's relative. What will be wealth to you might not be wealth to me. What I would deem, Charlie, I have arrived financially, will not be the same to maybe another artist. So that's one day, it's relative. But if you ask me, I think that my colleagues that I know also were able to get.
Na any asha for Meshamo Cartel na any your friend Payetitia and so asamokoka and the dusty show so enonom. Na de bia ne mpempim betina hana meka artists Ghanaian artists asem ewo efidie so a na me se bebre na send me messages na unnecessary messages na enono mumunnim ya yenim no so ye ka na musumo tena baby na musumo keka de mope eno na praye aba be ka no bebre na omuni omo ho hwe enti no ose okache mo se mo amofra mo ho se mo ye A-list artist na che se mo amaje mudin pa e wo Ghana ha na mo abobra mo je mo hu di sa mo abobra na music industry ni mo wo mo achebeye 5 years 6 years 4 years ede ko ne de we A-list na che se wadu achi wa bobra e wo music industry ni mo enti no e wo se unya bibi a wo di be show se kai media edan yi metumi asi because of music ameya wo Ghana ha and I say because of movies ameya wo Ghana ha na ma mumma out ma mentwen ma ne ma medru mre bi se na ya yehu o social media na be hu legend way yare ohia say legend way yare ohia say ohia de bia obidi 50 45 ede kwane dia na we enya heart attack enya liver problem kidney problem dia problem na ne nyina no asanso aba beda fans so se enya monse ne ayimomo na omo enfanko hospital enkoje ayaresa miwa muso moje mudin a na mo hia mo fans kra wo kroma mutika echi na ma wevi omo na motwemu ko na za momfa artists ana momfa mo fans enya hwe wo Ghana haba edu ehia da mudia na mu chin hwehwe mo fans na ne ono nso de odeba ye na ne it is a warning to upcoming artists for more by any artists mobile so anasa maji mudin kakra mu nu eche no momo bra munye sika na mofa mo bra mofa nye investment sene Kennedy advice medical say medical yesterday a chese AMG cars abanyina na wato ne bo ase wo so no mesha menka mo messages ni bi emfama mo na menka messages we say happy birthday to Emmanuel Ashon from your little sister na Ella Ashon from Green TV na your Okam news team ne ho or say happy birthday to you nanye she wishes you all the best na age with grace nanye afese se no na arabo no wakowanim akwakodu mpembia oso ubetumi aboa efie na we say good evening sister Mina, I'm Eric from Jukwa. I love your show, thank you. We say Evelyn from hello Mina, you were late today, don't be late again. Keep the fire burning. Best program from Evelyn. Also Edifi Thanos. So, no, it's say, hi, Mina. This OB collection. I'm watching you live at Techiman. I love your program. Hi, Citizen Mina. You look very nice today. Green TV, all the best. Your girl Natasha. Hi, Sister Mina. It's your girl MFA from Tamale. You look cute in your dress. Sweet Mina, you look good today. I love you, dear. It's your girl Fauzia from Konongo. Nene ma Fauzia no, sister no one my second favorite fan. Ewo show you so. Nene dache ya be reward mu nyina. Hi Citizen Mina, I am Miriam from Kolegono. Keep the ball rolling. Now we say hi Mina, this is your girl Grace from Asaman Kese. Wish my lovely boyfriend Eric a happy birthday in advance. Hello Mina. Hello Mina. Munaya from Kumasi. Shout out to you and your crew and shout out to Glorious Academy final year students. Na ene if you wanna ye call your last story. Your last story den na akan nanka oni bullets na bullets no oye CEO and founder of your friend is Rough Town Records no wakasa na nanse intawantawa kakra aba onini nwa bema aye friend no akan entem concerning money issues bi na no so no wabon ho modern akwakopie mu ewo radio so na na wache ensem nti ba che no so no eda ma video no so muntie ensem a bullet ekafa akan eho
one or two movements be ending na the year into we have sapon kra na o dey pressa justice and anything but me can say oh the tea with you in your bullet the baby sound of society let the cambo send that have go a kind say there are 3 sites, the first, the second and the middle. And then why $600 no what your promotion
things that before because I can't understand this time. I can't let me know no intro. Let's be wasn't somebody that would in trouble. But now so we're in trouble. It is sad, but life to be the same because it's sad. So material make cancer, and as they argue be a team of public because the Nakaya, I can't say Menkano once upon the other. The reason I mean is I have respect for him, especially his family. Because when I was on the street, the Kaipa first I'm the Coco Coco. The two free Coco Hono, my name Madame for Kabiru, Chitayo, Akasanama. Sata on also the girlfriend.
My husband was sending a message.
Yeah. Sata on also the girlfriend. The single room na no mote. Let me never be tina or Mojang and a whole so me free honor. I can't family and as I can't make all the fee. I can't make what's on the fee. Omojene as Obi Omuni from nowhere. Like Omojene, I was eating for free, the Barry show for free. I was eating 3 times or even more. As an apartment, did breakfast or tea. So I said, I come on and try and the horse. The horses are never crown. Later, the Sanko family back. As I about to come.
Wow.
Yes, it's a can't say, man, I said, the family, I said, I am very careful because what they've done for me, and I said, and you want to see a time, no, so man, you can come in baby another because now me need baby another. So I said, for us, we have a do level and it's very sad. So, Minya and Anka, a news part. Because, said I'm a kind and they the same Cromano. Somebody from the street now, Madame Konifi, say, Madame family, the best say, now, imagine that now, no. Once when I was out back, they took care of me, they took care of my son, like, in short. Of course, it's a good level, and that means that you may be the anchor in a do level. And the Kai Bibia, like the Kai Bibia, a boy was a bullet. Get me first, with me for you, with me, FQ, the royalty, and I'm royalty, and it's true, Nema, ever since you're very hot in your Nema. The banana group in Saka. The Baya Bonia, you want to do oh, say I just can be on Spotify, I just can be but Anna, I have it to be afraid to get who the music says about was a trust because I am a kite. Whatever the problem, but yet, man, I'm a jam and because okay, what do you say? I was no one BB among Ukraine as I can and not try and one BBC till declaration. So I have BBA, maybe.
Na enemsemo se mwahwe interview no matie bi na bulletin so ene ne nwa ma aye frɛ no akan esikasem a ekoso e Ghana ha na ene ye hu si believe akan o ye se ye believe bulletin omonso entokwa a omodenam Ghana ha no but utie asem a bullet e kan nyina na he doesn't want to talk about asem na ekoso no because or say on any relationship, on a can relationship, no, important to him. And you know, on pese, obeka can BB, and also obey BB, a very ruins our relationship because, in fact, they are not even cool as brothers or as friends again. But say, Papa ye beer, why you know, any Papa ye beer, I can, and then a family, I bulletin, you know, or so on pese. Or de asem no, ebe kwechi, amana kwa dane asem fufra, woho. And when someone say, my motivational message, na me be ma motivational message be a etisa. Some guy say, uni obi wa relationship mu na say ochina okoda sorry. And I say ochina o sorry na nipa no, oni no enya downfall biem and I say, mu decide this a relationship, do you want to end it? It doesn't mean say asem bi ba and I say confusion bi sia. Ubeko kroma kwa kaka nipa ne ho asem bone ne ade na ure efi papa nipa no waye onanye ene bullet approve that points for all of you na enemsemo aha enamede social media today jumedie no ebesi ya time no ekọ entimo messages ne dia be say 20 kra men kan ye na enemsemo monfa ncheme ochena mebo modern akenkan ni nyina ede amamo na entimsemo yenko musical break ni eba na menwa bema eduana enso ade moato aso.
Give it from me, Charlie, yeah.
Hey, yo, Tommy,
Yeah. Yeah, but if you show me how I live my life, streets nice, show man, I sharp like knife. I think far when money come my way, stay forever, never fade away. Babylon front to me, boom, my baby. Gone to the top, lead that day. Me speedy love, say for punk, we no Charlie, no day. And the power and I bench me speedy, time no day. Yeah, 3 years I ain't the beyond, so me speedy, time no day. And the power and I bench me speedy, time no day. Father Lord, give me favor. No airtime, give me data. But I'm living cause